We can see the first option of not this one. This is help.adobe.com. We're gonna skip that one, and you can see this adobe.com product site. We'll have to choose this one, and now it'll ask to start a 7-day free trial of Animate. What you'll have to do is click on Start Free Trial, and now you can see this page where you have three options to choose what what is the purpose of the application here. So if I'm going to use it for business purposes, you can just choose this one. If I'm a student or a teacher and I'm using that for that purpose, I'm going to choose the student and teachers plan. So we have the, in this case, I'm going to choose the teachers plan. Now you can select the subscription. So you can see here is annual bill monthly, that is $22.99. So I'm going to choose this one. You can choose any of these according to your use case. So I'm going to click continue. And in this page, it will ask you to add some more to the cart to buy. So we'll just skip that, and you can see it's in the cart. You can see the amount due now is like $0.00. So that means you won't be charged anything until the 7-day free trial ends. So I'm just gonna click on continue, and now it'll ask you to enter your email address. So you'll have to click on this box, type in your email, and click on continue again. Now, for the payment method, you have three options: credit card, debit card, or PayPal or Amazon Pay. So you can choose any of the desired payment method that you would like. In this case, I'm going to use the credit or debit card. Now you will have to enter your card number, the expiry date, your first name, last name, and your country zip code, or the zip code of your region, and the country that you reside in. So I'm going to choose that one, and enter your phone number, which is completely optional. So after that's done, you can click on agree and subscribe. So what this does is it downloads the Adobe Creative Cloud application on your desktop, which then installs the Adobe Animate application for you. So this is the rest of the steps are really easy. You can do it on your own. I'm going to leave it up to you. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please do like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day.